Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Caitlin. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really pretty half up, half down hairstyle. I love this look. It only takes a few minutes and it really looks like you put a lot of time and effort into your hair. I do have clip-in extensions in my hair. If you guys don't know how to put those in, y'all can definitely check out this video over here. If you guys already have long hair, then you can definitely do this. But if you're interested in this look, then keep on watching. So all you're going to need today is 2 elastics and a few bobby pins, as well as a 1-inch curling iron. This is the one I got from Sally's. It's a one and only. It was only 25 bucks and this thing is amazing. It's my absolute favorite. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and part off your hair. You're going to want to start at the top of your head and just kind of go to about 1 inch behind your ear. This section is pretty large. And you're going to do the same on the other side. There we are. Now we're going to go ahead and twist these 2 sections back. And then you're going to pull them backwards. And you guys can actually fix any little loose pieces that you have once you pull it backwards, because you're going to notice once you do pull it backwards, it will get a little bit looser on you. And now you're going to hold that with this hand and you're going to take this section and you're going to twist it back with your finger. The way I do it is I just kind of twirl it around my finger and it twists itself. Now you're going to go ahead and take an elastic and go ahead and put these 2 pieces together. Now once you have these 2 pieces together, you're going to go ahead and loop the ponytail through. I'm going to turn around and show you guys real quick. Alright, you're going to take your ponytail and you're just going to go and pull it up and then pull it through your elastic. Or not your elastic, but through the ponytail itself. And now you're just going to kind of loosen this up a little bit. Not too much, but enough to kind of give it that messy look. And now any really loose pieces, I would go ahead and take some bobby pins, especially the pieces that you know are probably going to fall out, and just kind of push them in to make sure that they don't fall on you. Perfect. Now honestly you could leave it like this, but I like to add a little braid just to give it like that extra mile, I guess you could say. My ponytail is a little bit too small to even get a braid halfway down, so I am going to actually take the section a little bit below my ponytail. And then I'm just going to do a normal braid all the way down. Or not all the way, we'll see. We'll see how far we get. How far my layers let it happen. Alright, that's where we're going to stop. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and fatten up the braid. Just make it look really loose and pretty. Perfect. Now I'm just going to go ahead and brush the other hair together. Just give it that really soft look. And now once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and turn back, well, you're going to turn around. I'm going to turn around and show you guys what to do with the front. Now, I like to always pull out my hair and then pull out a couple baby hairs as well. There we go. Get another baby hair in there. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now when you start pulling out baby hairs, this might happen too. It might puff out a little bit. So what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and take that piece and just kind of twist it back again into the twist. And usually it takes care of itself. And mine is actually leaving a little bit of a bump, so I'm going to go ahead and bobby pin it down. Perfect, guys. Now what I'll do is I'll go back through all my baby hairs and just curl them a little bit just to give them that little extra cute, feminine face framing. I don't know where I was going with that, but I'm sure it was good originally. Alright, now you just kind of brush through that piece. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe. I will see you guys in my next hair video. Bye guys.